guys with their guns and cameras now.
Okay. I'm just trying to get hold of operations to find out your questions.
Easy, because there's a lot of sharp sticks right here.
I don't really take this thing out too much, and I know why now.
1792, operate. 1592. Okay, just a heads up, there is a dozer coming in on that road. Just want to give you a little warning.
Copy, that's all I need to know. Yeah, so the hoses are still a ways apart. You can't see them.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. That's the guy I talked to. So I need to catch up.
Do you want your Foresthill Divide celebration and safety meeting, and tell me about that and what you accomplished through that, and how many people showed up, and then we'll go over the incident.
Okay. You want to ask questions or?
No, basically, I'm just going to ask you. Well, first, could you tell me about the
Wildfire on the Divide.
Wildfire on the Divide, and what kind of participation the community has in it?
Okay, Wildfire on the Divide is a program that we do every year. It's part of our Fire Safe Council's Fire Safe planning and organizing for the summer and educational program. We do it about this time every year, and it's this year we had it combined with Nature Day, which is another program this time of year. We probably had 500 to 1,000 people there. Then later on in the day, I think it was around 1 o'clock, we had this fire call up here on Chicken Hawk Ridge, and I responded up here with the rest of my department, or the rest of the available people in my volunteer department, and worked on putting this fire out.
Now, the Foresthill Divide, this and the Nature Day. Can you go over the part about what this basically entails? A fire safety meeting, right?
Okay, Wildfire on the Divide is a program of primarily educational program for people in Foresthill area on the Foresthill Divide here to find out more information on how they can be more fire safe and how maybe they can keep their house from burning when the big one burns through the area, which it will happen, which will happen.
And how many times in the past have you had a forest fire break out on that day?
That's an interesting point. Several times now, probably 3 different years, we've had wildfires of some sort break out, generally from control burns in our area during this celebration, if you want to call it that. And they've all been small, and usually this time they don't get too big, but they're always a challenge because it happens on this day.
It's kind of strange that it happens on this day.
Yeah, it is strange, yeah.
Now, let's see, how can I put this? Could you go over the part about what caused today's fire, and the fact that it's kind of ironic that the guy was actually trying to do something about fire safety, but yet he probably chose a bad day to do it, didn't he?
Today the fire was caused by a control burn that the guy was piling slash and burning it, and the fire got away from him. It started out being a good day to do the burning, but a wind came up this afternoon, and he wasn't ready for that. He's actually doing land clearing, thinning it out to make it more fire safe. So it's in his side. If you looked over the edge here, the stuff he's done didn't burn at all. It's the area beyond that caught fire and went up the hill. So.
And what kind of winds did you come up against today? What would you say the miles per hour are right now?
Right now there's probably 7 miles or so, and this is kind of what was happening when I first got here, but it went up to 20 or 30 for a little while there and spotted quite a ways out in front of it to the south.
And does a wind like that make it kind of tough on firefighting?
A good wind will prevent capture of the fire. You know, fires put themselves out one way or the other. Humans don't do a lot of work on them unless they're small.
Just kind of go along and go out.
Yeah. We just maybe we can kind of head them out, you know, along the side and kind of maybe get them to an area that doesn't burn. But I think we take too much credit for when fires go out.
Could you state your name and spell your last name and your department?
I'm Bob McChessney of Foresthill Fire Department. That's McChesney.
You're the chief.
And I'm the chief, yes.